Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In today's video we are going to learn how to print numbers from 1 to 5 using while loops in Java. So first of all we are having a variable called I. It's of integer data type and it is equal to 1. So for a while loop we need to have our iterating variable being defined a priori to our loop, to our while loop. And we are going to have the while loop, and this while loop is going to continue as long as I is less than or equal to 5. Okay, so in the first iteration we check to see if 1 is less than 5. Yes. Okay, so print that number of I, which is number 1, and then in the next line increment its value. So I equals 2 now. It goes back to check the condition again. 2 less than 5, yes. So print 2 and increment it to 3. 3 less than 5, yes. So print 3 and increment it by 1. So 4 is less than 5, yes. Print 4, increment it by 1, it will become 5. So 5 is less than or equal to 5, yes. So print 5 and increment it by 1 unit, so it will become 6. And now 6, is it less than or equal to 5? No. Therefore the while loop is terminated and we don't have any other iteration. And looking at the output, we see number 1 to 5 is being printed in the output. And this could be this could have another extension. For example, we could have while I is less than 50, for example, and I run the code now. You will see that we are going to start from 1 and it is going to continue until it reaches number 50 in the output. Thank you for watching.